The short summary of our business model is building initiative for using the very social group of people 50 plus into entrepreneurship. And we do that building a network where people can come and meet each other, and also we introduce and connect to the startup system, because we also know that there is a need for younger startups to have access to more mature competence. We offer special startup programs, motivation programs for people 50 plus, and we also work with partner programs, how to connect to the parties around us to use our services. That's what we are doing for now. What inspired me to go for this group of people 50 plus? First of all, it was my own experience as a senior entrepreneur. I did not identify with the startup world. I didn't feel valued. I didn't identify, and I didn't find the help I needed to build my business. That put me on fire, and I decided to go for this initiative. We live in a society with a lot of focus of not wasting resources, and still we waste the most important resource of all, the most competent, biggest, fastest growing group of people ever, 50 plus. And my core mission is to stop wasting these resources. What motivates me in this business is actually I love to build the good solutions. I love to close gaps and meet the needs. And I also like to connect people, and I also love to inspire and help people to take the next step and go for it. The biggest barrier for seniors to go into entrepreneurship is that they don't know what entrepreneurship is. They don't believe in themselves, and they don't know how to go forth, because there is a lot of myth. People believe in that you need to be young, you need to be developing some app or something and have big plans. So that is what I'm facing when I talk to people, is that is that what entrepreneurship is all about? Maybe it's for me as well. For me, the most challenging part of developing the 50 to 100 business is making the balance between making money for today and also making the money for tomorrow. There have been a lot of satisfying and inspiring moments, and if I should summarize, it would be the pleasure or the happiness when I meet the response, because there's so many people wanting us to do this project, and there is a need that is waiting to be filled. So getting the traction we have had has been very, very satisfying. Short-term goals for 50 to 100 is that we this year are going to continue to work on expanding the network and making even more connections between seniors and the younger startups. We also connect people to see, okay, maybe I don't want to start my own business, but can I be a board member? Can I go in as an advisor? Can I be an investor? That is one focus this year, and the other to run another round of the startup program. And on the long term, we want to be an important element internationally in building the silver economy, not only as a market, but also to ensure that people over 50 plus are seen as part of the solution and not a problem to be solved, being a really important part of solving the UN sustainability goals, which is in the background of everything we do.